Aristotle taught in ancient Greece. At about 17 or 18, close to your age right now, he joined Plato's academy in Athens, remained there till he was about age 37. Shortly after Plato died, Aristotle left Athens and became the tutor of Alexander the Great, beginning in about 343 BCE. Now, scholars suggest that what remains of Aristotle's writings were his lesson plans. That's fascinating to me because it means that Aristotle is our teacher, and we are studying the same lessons that Alexander the Great studied in 343 BC. Allegedly, Aristotle went to the marketplace and observed persuasion in action. And then he taught his students that in all rhetorical situations, there are 5 canons of rhetoric, 5 pillars of argumentation that are always in play. First is invention, creating something new for our audiences to experience, contemplate, imagine. Then there is style, the way in which we express ourselves, both in writing or speech. Arrangement is the order in which we reveal our inventions. In most cases, it's important to build community with our audience before presenting new inventions, but sometimes it might work best to surprise them from the onset. Delivery is the way the arguments look on the page, the way we present ourselves to our audience. It can be our tone, our stance, even our handwriting. And finally, memory is our ability to recall from memory quotations, evidence, examples, stories used to prove our point or defend our position. And those examples should change based on our audience. So within arguments, we have modes of discourse. Discourse is defined as written or spoken communication or debate. To discourse means to speak or to write authoritatively on a subject. In modern writing, we might think of modes of discourse as supporting techniques, and there are many. First, we're going to focus on 5. Narration is telling a story or recounting a series of events. Description is similar to narration in its use of concrete detail, but it differs from narration in that it focuses on the senses. Process analysis explains how something works, breaking it into its parts. In exemplification, I want you to think about a series of examples to shade in your meaning. Now, when we're writing about literature, we should be citing the text. Exemplification helps turn abstract ideas into a concrete idea. And finally, compare and contrast, where we juxtapose 2 or more ideas, placing them side by side for means of comparison. Now think about this. You are studying right now, in this moment, at the feet of one of the greatest teachers in the history of the world, Aristotle.